Smith, and we're shooting my Wildflower collab today, which I'm really excited about. I love whimsical things and mushrooms. That's why one of my kids' name is Whimsy. So obviously the case had to be whimsical and mushroom themed. And these are the children, a little cottage. I just wanted it to feel like a fairy tale and magical. So that's what we did, and I'm obsessed. Look at it. Probably my editing app, InShot, and YouTube. Like, I just want to see you clean your house, make food, go on little errands. Like, home vlogs are my favorite thing. The most mundane things. The more boring, I guess, the better. I read a lot. Is that something? I feel like people do know that about me, though. I love a good fantasy read, actually. Yeah. I made pizza bites yesterday. Yeah, pizza bites. They were actually really freaking good as well. I mean, it depends. Lately, guacamole, weirdly enough, which is so low lift, but it's just so good. With homemade chips, yes. Probably my agent, Amy. Every day, all day. Sometimes 12 at night. I think I've just had an obsession with mushrooms. I don't know why or where it came from, but anything whimsical, mushroom, cottagey, I just love. And that's why I put little mushroom hats on all the children.
Oh, is it like falling apart? Yes. The other one looks in better.
Somewhere in the English countryside. I want it to be lush, I want it to be green. Give me rain, give me the gloom and the sunshine in the summer. How amazing is that? Thank you guys so much for watching. Shop my Wildflower case now. It should be out when you watch this, right? Yeah.